YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome back to all my regular viewers and a big warm welcome to anyone who might be here for the first time. So today I thought I'm just going to do one of Margarete Miller's weekly collage assignments. So she's up to volume 5 on this, and I had purchased the prompts when they came out and couldn't get motivated to do anything about it. But I thought I would do one today. So I'm doing week 11. The prompts are somebody smiling, or someone smiling. I have a photo of a man from the Tim Holtz photo booth thingamajigs. A vintage advertisement or illustration. So I have this ad for, I don't know what, ballet. An image with a gradient colour. Dug out a couple of things. So I've got, these are gel prints that I made. So I used a shirt with a pocket on it to make an impression, as well as, well, that looks like part of that wedding dress stuff that I've got with the flowers and the beads and things. And then that one is a sepia coloured one. And then I've got this one, which you can see really clearly, is the neck and the collar. So I'm just going to decide which colour I like better. But then my third choice, my third option is this, which is just I did with leaves. So I thought this would go well with this fossil of a fish, which is my archaeological find or treasure. The other thing on the list is a page or piece with handwritten numbers on it. So I've got this little snippet, and then the bonus is a word written in your favourite language. Well, there's French on here by the look of it. Yeah, it's French. So I just need to make up my mind which one of these I'm going to use. Now, this book that I'm going to do it in is actually a glue book that I started some time ago. I haven't finished it off. I've got some really good bases in here, but for this I need a blank page, really. Gluing is so much fun. I recommend you have a go at it if you haven't. And this is just a comprehension book. That's a nice one. So I'm just going to, even that would have been a good gradient, but then it's already done, isn't it? That. Anyway, I'm going to choose a page, this one I think, without any other distractions, and I'm going to go about putting my bits and pieces together on the page. I really do like this sepia one, but I wonder if the fish stands out enough on it. Doesn't really, does it? So as much as I love it, I have to rule that one out. It stands out a bit more on this page here, this piece, and then it stands out on this one too. Oh, I think I'm going to go with the green, and I'm thinking of covering the whole page with this. Thank you for all the well wishes from everyone who commented about our safety during the cyclone. We're pretty lucky where we are, to be honest. We never lost electricity or anything like that. We didn't get any flooding. Where my sons live, they've been without power for over a week. They don't live in the same place, they live in the same area, but not the same neighbourhood. They were flooded in. I think I haven't spoken to them for a couple of days. I haven't contacted them, had contact with them, because they've got no reception on their phones. And yeah, everybody uses mobiles these days, don't they? If there's no phone reception, it sort of puts a kibosh on everything. So I did a really good job of cutting that straight knot. So I'm going to keep this really simple. I want to try and get it done fairly quickly. I don't want this video to be any more than 15 minutes long. So I'm going to get on with it. So glue down my background. I have a little bit from where I cut that fossil out that I thought I might glue on there. So he's my scientist and he's discovered this fossil. So in celebration he's going to go to the ballet. He's going to take his wife to the ballet because he saw this advertisement and he thought, oh yes, when I get back I'm going to take my lovely wife to the ballet. So that's going to go in there. So I'm going to pop that like that. Stick his smiling face in the middle. Pop the fossil information there. And then this bit with the number, handwritten number, I'm going to make a little bit smaller and pop it down there like so. I'm going to glue these other things down. I'll ink them and glue them down, and then I might do a little bit of spattering. I'm going to put a bit of gesso on that just to knock it back a little bit. I'm going to smear it with a piece of paper towel. Because I'm gluing onto paint, I'm going to use this art glitter glue to stick this down. Just going to do a little bit of stenciling. Because this is quite a big area, I just want to close that up a little bit, and I think I'll use a brown paint on that. I changed my mind and I'm going to use yellow ochre, or yellow oxide, beg your pardon. Just want to be careful not to get the paint down under the stencil. Yeah, I quite like that. I'll just do a little bit over here. And I still think I'll do some of the brown. Somebody's mowing, the birds are crowing, the crows are crowing, the traffic's trafficking, as it usually does whenever I turn my camera on. I'm sure there's a little bubble that goes up above my house that says, come past and make as much noise as you can. Lee's filming. Never mind. So I'm going to go around my edge with my little Stabilo Woody. Stabili. Yeah, I'm not worried about how tidy it looks. I just want to border on the page. Before I do the spatter, I'm just going to go around with this watercolor pencil and put a drop shadow around my collage. So what I've just done is dipped my pencil in water, and you can see the effect that it has, the water has on the pencil. So it's gone dry again just about. Get a lovely juicy line when you do that. and go over it with a wet or damp paintbrush to make that effect happen too. Okay, so that gesso has really faded away, hasn't it? Okay, so hopefully these spots of white will give it all a lift again. Blob of paint there. Okay, go up here. I think that'll do. So I'll just check I've got everything in there. So someone's smiling. A vintage advertisement is my ballet in the background. Image with a gradient colour is my background, which is a gel print. And page or piece with handwritten numbers, my little bit here. An archaeological find or treasure is my fish. Good on you. Fish fossil. So he's my scientist. He's found this fish fossil. He's going to get paid a heap of money by the museum back in France. So he's got this ad in his pocket for the ballet. He's going to take his wife to the ballet when he gets back to celebrate his little windfall. Okay. So that is my Margarete Miller challenge, collage challenge for week 11. Hope you enjoyed that. And I'll maybe see you for another one. I'm not sure. Have fun in your craft room. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give me a thumbs up. And you can share the video with your family and friends. You can make clips from it. And we'll see you next time. Hooroo! Put some spray, gold spray.